If I have a child who comes in late to my class and they're constantly late, I may want to give them a detention, but I'm not going to assign that detention until the end of the class. Because if I say to them, you're late, you have a detention Wednesday, I got 50 minutes worth of a class to go through, that kid's already gone, right? Next 50 minutes, they hate my guts. They got nothing to lose, they might as well act up. So I very conveniently at the end of the class would say, oh, hold on, come here for a second, Polly. We need to talk about your constant lateness. We're going to do that at 2:15 tomorrow. So yes, I'm assigning you a detention. Please show up so we can discuss this. And then send them on their way.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.